Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you are fine and doing well. The title of the book is Progressive English, Unit 1, Great Invention, same topic, the race. Today we will complete this story. Students, you have to open your book on page number 19. Today we are starting from here. I recognized the slower cars like my own into a train. Every cart except mine was the deprived of his front axle and loosely bolted to the cart in front. The whole assembly was about a dozen carts long, with a big box cart at back. I was the only one alone on his cart. Behind me, there were two or even three to every cart until you got to the box cart, which was crammed. Crammed mean ठोसना. क्रैम्ड फुल ऑफ लिटल किड्स, यानी जिसमें बच्चों से फुल बच्चे ठोंसे हुए थे, भरी हुई थी. सम ऑफ देम सो स्मॉल डेट दे वर होल्डिंग टॉयज कॉलास एंड सकिंग डमीज. बच्चे इतने छोटे थे कि वो अब डमीज चूस रहे थे. नाउ कम ऑन पैराग्राफ 5. फ्रॉम इट्स वेरी फर्स्ट रन डाउन द फॉर साइड माई सुपर कार्ट वॉज अ ट्रायम्फ. ट्रायम्फ मीन सक्सेस, विक्ट्री, फतह, कामयाबी. ट्रायम्फ, victory, success. Even the adults who had been hosting us called their families out to marvel. Marvel mean be impressed, be amazing. As we went steaming by. On the supercart's next run, there was still more to admire, since even the top flight ball race riders had demanded to have their vehicles built into it, thereby heightening its tone. Swelling. Swell mean here increase, बढ़ना, swelling its passenger list, and multiply. Multiplying mean increase in amount. Its already impressive output of the decibels. Decibel, unit of relative loudness. Once again, I should have left well alone. The thing was already famous. It had everything but a dining car. Why did I ever suggest that we should transfer it to the near side and try the Iron Street turn? Come on, next paragraph. With so much inertia. Inertia mean inability to move. The supercar started slowly, but it accelerated like a piano falling out a window. Long before we reached the turn, I realized that there had been a serious miscalculation. Miscalculation means wrong calculations. The miscalculation was all mine, of course. I was too late to do anything except pray. Leading into the turn, I skided my own car. Skid means फिसलना. Safely around in the usual way. The next few segments mean component part. Segment followed me, but with each segment describing an act of slightly largest radius. Radius mean line from the center of the circle to its edge. दायरे के वध से किनारे तक का फासला, radius. Then the one in front. First gradually, then with stunning finely, the monster lashed its enormous tail. Enormous mean बहुत ज़्यादा, काफ़ी. Now come on, last paragraph. The air was full of flying ball bearers. Bits of wood, big kids, little kids, koalas and dummies. Most disasterly. Disasterly mean तबाहकुन, खतरनाक. Disasterly. Of all, it was also full of puppy petals, not a bloom. escaped. Escaped mean महफूज, but महफूज. The scath mean here we use a tool for something cutting. In Urdu, danati. Those of us who could still run scattered mean बिखर गए. Scattered mean बिखर गए to the winds, dragging our wounded with us. The police spent hours visiting all parents in the district, warning them that the Billikhard era was definitely over. It was police car that took Mrs. Brenton away. There was no point waiting for the ambulance. She could walk all right. It was just that she could not talk. She stared straight ahead, her mouth slightly open. यानी मिसेस ब्रेंथन्स को अपनी पपीज़ का इतना शौक़ हुआ, जो डिस्ट्रॉय हो गए थे उसके आल, जो कोकनार के फ्लावर थे, तो उसको इतना दुख हुआ कि वो कितने दिन बोल नहीं सकी थी मिसेस ब्रेंथन वाइट जो थी. स्टूडेंट्स नाउ कम ऑन नेक्स्ट पेज नंबर 20. रीडिंग फॉर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. Question number 1. How did the residents express their feelings about the children racing their billy cart on the Sunbeam Avenue footpath in paragraph 1? Answer is, the adults expressed their irritation by spraying water on the children with their hose puppies. Next question is, what was the advantage of Cliff's rubber wheels in paragraph 2? Answer is, the direction of the rubber wheel made it possible to successfully turn the tricky corner of the iron street. Question number 3. What did the children think about Mrs. Brenton White in paragraph 3? Children thought that Mrs. Brenton White was a witch. Question number 4. How did Mrs. Brenton feel about her puppies? Answer is, she was extremely protective of her puppies. If anyone tried to pluck one of them, she would call the police. Next question is, explain how Cliff made his train. Why did he build it in paragraph 4 and 5? Answer is, the train was made by removing the front axle of all the billy cart except the one is front and loosely bulleting them with each other. Cliff built this to impress others. Next question is, who was in the box cart at the back of the train? How do you know the approximate age of the passengers in paragraph 4? Answer is lots of little kids were in the box cart at the back of train. The approximate age of the passengers can be known by the mention of the toy koalas and singing dummies that the kids were carrying. Next question is, Cliff drove his own cart round the sharp angled corner into Iron Street successfully, but what happened to the train of the cart behind him in paragraph 6? Answer is, racing of billy carts was prohibited. In मना की गई थी in the area. Mrs. Brenton White was so shocked that she had to be taken the hospital for treatment. All of the puppies were destroyed. Last question is, what happened to Mrs. Brenton White puppies and to Mrs. Brenton White herself in paragraph 7? I feel sympathy for her. She must have spent a considerable amount of time tending those puppies, and they were destroyed in an incident. Incident mean vakya. Here is reading for inference. Students, you have to question and answer this question answer in your notebook. I am teaching here the answer of this question you have to write on your own self in your notebook. Now come on page 21. Vocabulary. Match the following words from the text on the left with their definition in the right hand column. First word is soul. Soul mean one and only. Next word is traction. Traction mean grip. Histrionic, overdramatic. Unscathed, unharmed. Relegated, demoted. Perilous, dangerous. Irrational, unreasonable. Renowned, well known. Illicitly, illegally. Crammed, stuffed full. Ponderous, slow and heavy. And last word is marvel. Gaze in admiration. You have to match the following definitions of the words. Now we will do question answer that are on page number 20. Question number 1 answer is Cliff thought of himself as a big boy, and being a big boy, he was supposed to be able to build a better cart than the younger ones. When the younger kids built better carts than his own, it infuriated. Next question number is 2. Question number 2 answer is question number 2 is which sentence in paragraph 2 tells you that Cliff wanted to be considered as one of the big boy? Answer is the last sentence of paragraph 2. I had come to depend on being thought of as a big kid tells that Cliff wanted to be considered as one of the big boy. Question number 3 is explain how Mrs. Brenton White's opinions of the children differed from the children's opinions of Mrs. Brenton White in paragraph 3. Answer is children thought that Mrs. Brenton was a witch and had an irrational hatred for the children. Mrs. Brenton thought that children were rude, mischievous, and irritating. Mischievous and irritating. Question number 4 is why was Caleb the only one who dared make the right angle turn into the Iron Street past Mrs. Brenton White puppies in paragraph 4? Answer is Cliff's heavy billy cart and the traction of its rubber wheels enable him to negotiate right angle in turn into Iron Street successfully. Nobody else had such a car. Question number 5. Which sentence in paragraph 4 and 5 tell you that Cliff realized that he should not have made the train? Answer is I should have left it at that, but got ambitious, and once again I should have left well alone. Or the sentence that tells us that Cliff realized that he should not have made the train. Question number 6 is how does the writer make the train sound like a powerful creature? Answer is the writer make the train should be a powerful creature by using words like monster and enormous. Question number 7. What were the results of the disastrous end of the race? Answer is racing of billy cart was prohibited in the area. Mrs. Brenton White was so shocked that she had to be taken to a hospital for treatment. All of her puppies were destroyed. And last question is how do you feel about Mrs. Brenton White at the end of the text? Answer is I feel sympathy for her. She must have spent a considerable amount of the time tending those puppies and they were destroyed in an incident. Student, this question answer you have to write in your notebook. Now note down your homework. Make fill in the blanks page number 19. You have to read page number 19 at least 2 or 3 times, then you have to make 5 fill in the blanks from it. Write question answer in your notebook, and also you have to learn all of these question answer. Match the column that I have taught you people on page number 21. Next we will teach in next lecture. Take care students. Allah Hafiz.